The Premier League Clubs Association says it is alarmed and disappointed in the Jamaica Football Federation postponing the start of the Red Stripe Premier League on the basis of misinformation about financial liabilities owed by them to Montego Bay United and the referees.
The letter by the JFF on Thursday listed failings on the part of the PLCA as a reason for the delay to the start of the new season. But the PLCA is saying that couldn't be further from the truth. According to the PLCA Vice Chairman Carvel Stewart, they were guided by the JFF on all actions taken against Montego Bay United.
It is the JFF in August of 2016, I hate to be repetitive, I have to be, who said that Montego Bay can leave the PLCA and participate in the Premier League without any benefit as it wished. It is the JFF who guided that. The fact that JFF might find out later on that JFF is wrong makes who liable? Who is liable for the JFF's mistake?
But a letter from the JFF in May stated that a club does not have to be a part of the PLCA to benefit from grants which are made available to clubs by the PLCA.
The same JFF had ruled that Montego Bay United could play while not being a member of the PLCA. To come later on, after the fact, when resources are all depleted, to make such a statement is not just disingenuous, it's marks of some dishonesty.
The letter in May further stated that the word readmitting was inappropriate and misleading, but again, Stewart hit back.
It is the JFF who said we must readmit, thereby acknowledging that for a period, Montego Bay was not a member of the PLCA. So for them to come back later on to say their own word of readmission is disingenuous.
As for the debt owed to the referees,
PLCA has never been invoiced for referees' fee. PLCA does not employ the referees and therefore are not liable for any non-payment to the referees.
The PLCA is willing to pay one party but not the other.
I am willing to help to find monies to pay the referees to enable a smooth commencement, transition and running of the league. I have made a clear case as to who is liable for the situation that Montego Bay now finds themselves in.
Checks with the PFAJ revealed that the PLCA did hand over money for the referees last season, while the PFAJ was supposed to pay over the rest, which comes from players' transfers.